Upbeat music plays. Hey there, smart buyers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into a battle of the titans in the mirrorless camera world. It's the Canon EOS R50 on the left versus the Sony Alpha 6700 on the right. Who will take home the crown? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Canon EOS R50 is ringing in at a sweet $799, while the Sony Alpha 6700 is strutting its stuff at a whopping $1,399. Reviewers love the R50 for being budget-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners who want to get into photography without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Alpha 6700 is seen as a more premium option, ideal for serious photographers and videographers who are willing to invest more for advanced features. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the sensors. The R50 boasts a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which many Amazon reviewers appreciate for its solid performance and lightweight design, making it perfect for casual photography. Meanwhile, the Alpha 6700 is flexing with a 26.0 megapixels back-illuminated CMOS sensor. Reviewers rave about its superior image quality, especially for professional-grade photography, highlighting that it competes well with even higher-end models like the Sony FX30. Next, let's roll into video recording capabilities. The R50 offers 4K uncropped movies at up to 30 FPS, which is great for casual users looking to capture memorable moments. Reviewers have mentioned that it provides good video quality for the price, making it a strong contender for vlogging. On the other hand, the Alpha 6700 boasts 4K 60p recording with 6K oversampling, making it a favorite among professionals. Users have noted the camera's ability to handle high-action scenes with ease, although some have reported overheating issues during extended video recording. Now, let's talk autofocus. The R50 features dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering 100% of the frame with 651 AF zones. Reviewers appreciate this feature for tracking subjects seamlessly, whether it's pets or people. Meanwhile, the Alpha 6700 comes with a dedicated AI processor for real-time recognition and subject tracking, which has received high praise for its accuracy, especially in wildlife photography. However, some users have found its advanced features a bit overwhelming for beginners. In summary, both cameras have their strengths and cater to different audiences. The Canon EOS R50 is highly recommended for beginners and casual users who value affordability and ease of use, while the Sony Alpha 6700 is favored by enthusiasts and professionals who seek advanced features and superior performance. So, there you have it. The Canon EOS R50 is your budget-friendly, lightweight companion ready for casual photography and videography, while the Sony Alpha 6700 is the powerhouse that's packed with features for those who want to take their skills to the next level. It's like choosing between a fun weekend at the beach or a trip to an amusement park. Both are awesome, but it really depends on what you're in the mood for. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Until next time, keep your wallets happy and your cameras ready.